Welcome to Business Class Demo. I would like to show you how to go from zero to startup in just a couple of minutes. We'll go through branding, generating business logic, and configuring Paddle. So let's go. As an example, we'll build our own CRM application. After unpacking business class sources, we can open the README and see how to set up the project. You can notice that we can rename the project to what we like. I already called it contacts. And we can also rename the team feature. Here I call it space. Once we are done, we can run the application with bin dev as usual. Once it starts up, we can go to localhost, port 3000, and see the login screen. Now we can use the quick login feature to quickly log in and explore how the application looks like. We have the left sidebar, also the mobile version of it. We've got icons at the bottom and menu. In my account, we can add avatar. And once we are done exploring, we can go back to switch spaces. So as you can see, we started with a decent theme, but now let's make it a little bit more unique. For this reason, we'll insert new logo type and make it a little bit more purple. So let's go to Up Asset Style Sheets application, and here we'll simply replace some of the variables to the colors we want. Now you can notice it's a little bit more purple. If we log in, we also have a new sidebar. You can go to my account, you can see it's a bit different now. Next, we'll generate the bread and butter of the whole application, the contact model. For this, we can use the business class scaffolding. So we simply run Rails generate CRUD contact, name string, number string, and we'll run Rails migrate. Once this is done, we can simply go to the coffee lover space, and we'll see that in the left section there's contacts. To properly test it, we'll now create a new contact. Edit, list, and destroy. So everything seems to be working, and we didn't have to write a single line of code. Everything is scoped under the space, which you can also see in the URL. Finally, we configure Paddle. We can open the documentation and follow a few steps to configure everything. First of all, we'll need an account from developer.paddle.com, and we can sign in to a developer console. Here under developer tools, we'll need to make a note of public key and authentication key. First, we'll need to encode the key. So I'll copy it. And run the little script. Now that I have the value, I can finish up the whole configuration. So let's copy the key that we have in the console. And then we have to add the vendor ID and out code. So let's go to Developer Tools Authentication. I have one outcode already generated, so I'll copy it. Fill out the vendor ID. And then I'm keeping environment sandbox because we are still developing, so it's not production, it's a sandbox by Pedal. And now we can just copy and paste the configuration, the credentials file, to see if this works. Save. Restart. So the plans are not cached. And now when we start a new place, we should see our plan from Pedal. Now we can also add a monthly plan. So let's do that. Go back to Pedal, catalog, subscription plans. Here we see the plan that I already added, but we can create a new plan, call it monthly. We can give it trial period as well, why not? And price. So the yearly is 99, so let's say 9 is fine. That's done. So I'll repeat the process and see. Yes, I can now subscribe to both yearly and monthly plans, both with trial periods, 99 for yearly, 9 for monthly. The last thing to do is to configure webhooks. In development, we could use ngrok to give us publicly accessible IP. Let's copy it in, try it out. We have to confirm, but also update the Rails configuration. So let's do that. Restart. And now we can go to Pedal, Developer Tools, Event, and here replace the URL with the actual one. And in the subscription section, make sure that webhooks are checked in for sending. Changes were saved, that looks good. So let's try to subscribe to a monthly plan. Now we'll need a card. So for that we can go to Pedal developer side, working with Pedal Sandbox. And here there are some examples. We'll just use the basic one. So card, Peter. We can give any valid expiration date. a little, and the subscription has started. So we can continue and enjoy our new CRM on a new subscription plan. We can also go to manage space to see the subscription. So we have status trialing. We can go to manage the subscription, where we also see the latest payments. And if we check paddle, customer subscribers, we should see the new customer on the monthly plan. And we can go back and also try to cancel the subscription. Seems to be cancelled. Let's look how it looks in Paddle. So it was trialing. And the status is now cancelled. And to wrap it up, we can push everything to GitHub. And the nice thing is that GitHub Actions will already have CI running automatically. So we just have to wait around 1 minute until it's green, and that's it. That's a wrap. So thank you for watching.